Your mechanic just handed you a $3,000 repair bill. Your engine seized, your transmission died, your suspension collapsed. And you're standing there thinking, how did I miss the signs? Here's the brutal truth. Most catastrophic car failures don't happen overnight. They whisper warnings for months before they scream in your wallet. Today I'm sharing 7 simple monthly checks that take less than 30 minutes, but can save you from repairs that cost more than some people's entire cars. Check number 1, engine oil level and condition. Let's start with the lifeblood of your engine. I see it all the time. Drivers who check their oil when they remember, maybe every few months. That's like checking your bank account only when you're broke. Pull that dipstick monthly. Here's what you're looking for. Oil level should sit between the minimum and maximum marks. But level isn't everything. Look at the color and consistency. Fresh oil is amber and flows like honey. Bad oil? It's thick, black, and sometimes has metal particles floating in it. I once had a viewer message me about their Honda Civic. They checked oil level religiously but never looked at the condition. The oil was so degraded, it looked like chocolate syrup. 3 months later, complete engine rebuild. $4,500 down the drain because they missed the warning signs. Check number 2, coolant level and system inspection. Coolant system failures are silent killers. Your engine can go from perfectly fine to completely destroyed in under 5 minutes of overheating. That's not an exaggeration. Modern engines have tighter tolerances and less thermal mass than older engines. Monthly, you need to check your coolant reservoir when the engine is completely cold. Never, and I mean never, open a hot cooling system. The level should be between the minimum and maximum marks on the reservoir. Check all visible hoses for cracks, especially where they connect to the radiator and engine. Squeeze them gently. They should feel firm but not rock hard. Soft, mushy hoses are about to fail. Cracked hoses leak coolant, and even a small leak can lead to overheating. Check number 3, tire pressure and tread inspection. Your tires are the only thing connecting your car to the road, yet they're the most neglected safety component on most vehicles. Check number 4, brake system visual inspection. Your brakes deserve monthly attention because brake failure isn't just expensive, it's potentially fatal. You don't need to remove wheels for a basic inspection, but you should look through the spokes if you have open wheels. Check brake pad thickness by looking at the pad material visible through the wheel. You should see at least 3 to 4 millimeters of pad material. If you see metal-to-metal contact or hear squealing during normal driving, you're already into rotor damage territory. Look for brake fluid leaks around the wheels, brake lines, and master cylinder. Brake fluid is typically clear to amber-colored when fresh, but turns dark brown when contaminated with moisture. Low brake fluid levels often indicate worn pads or leaks in the system. Check number 5, battery denial, terminals, and charging system. Battery failure is the #1 cause of roadside breakdowns, but most battery problems give you warning signs if you know what to look for. Monthly battery maintenance takes 5 minutes and can prevent being stranded in a parking lot. Inspect the battery terminals for corrosion, that white, green, or blue, crusty buildup around the posts. Corrosion creates resistance, which makes your alternator work harder and can prevent proper charging. Clean terminals with a wire brush and apply terminal protector spray. Check the battery case for cracks, swelling, or leaks. A swollen battery case indicates overcharging or internal failure and needs immediate replacement. Battery acid leaks are corrosive and dangerous. Test your charging system by checking voltage with a multimeter. With the engine off, you should see 12.6 volts across the battery terminals. With the engine running, you should see 13.5 to 14.5 volts. Lower readings indicate alternator problems. Higher readings suggest regulator issues. Check number 6, belts and hoses inspection. Serpentine belt failure can destroy your engine in minutes. When that belt snaps, you lose your water pump, alternator, power steering, and air conditioning all at once. In interference engines, timing belt failure can cause thousands in internal damage. Monthly belt inspection is simple but critical. Check number 7, lights and electrical systems. Your lights aren't just about seeing, they're about being seen. A burned-out brake light or turn signal can cause accidents and traffic tickets. Monthly electrical checks take 10 minutes and can prevent dangerous situations. Test all exterior lights, headlights, low and high beam, tail lights, brake lights, turn signals, hazards, and reverse lights. Don't forget license plate lights and side markers. Walk around your car with someone operating the lights, or use reflective surfaces to check lights you can't see directly. Check interior lights too. Dashboard warning lights during startup, dome lights, and indicator lights. Dashboard warning lights that stay on indicate system problems that need attention. These 7 monthly checks take less than 30 minutes total, but they can save you thousands in major repairs and keep you safe on the road. The key is consistency, maybe the first Saturday of every month. If this video helped you become a better car owner, please like and subscribe for more real-world automotive knowledge. Drop a comment about which of these checks surprised you most, or share your own maintenance horror stories. Until next time, keep your rides running strong, and I'll see you in the next video.